Something that it's worth highlighting is the difference between what the model is and what the data is. And the model is the structure of the problem we are addressing. It consists of the variables, the constraints, the parameters, and we can have a model that represent the situation of different countries. So we can have plants and customers in the Netherlands, in France, in Spain, and they all can be modeled using the same model. And this is saved in a project in AIMMS, and when you want to save it, you go to the menu File, and you go to Save Projects. And you have the .AIMMS file that contains the model structure, which is the most important file that contains the relevant information. And in addition to that, you have the cases, which are the data, and that refers to a particular instance of the problem. So you can load and save different cases which store the elements of your sets, the values for the parameters, and the values for your variables once you've solved them. So if you have added an element to a set, all the identifiers are rebuilt. So we can go to AIMMS and see this fast. So imagine we have a new plant. Okay, we come here. Okay, and we have a plant in The Hague. And right away, when you press F5, okay, you get everything rebuilt. Okay, and you'll have, for example, in this case, you go to data and you have a new item here, which is the value for you to write the supply. So everything is rebuilt, you need to introduce the new values. That when you change the elements of an existing case, but you can close a case and create a new one and add all the elements, for example, to the Spanish case, and you can use the same model with different cases or with different data and get it solved, and even compare situations for different periods. So it's a different thing. And the data files is where you store all the information related to cases. And this is good because you don't have to create a model all from scratch every time you have to study a different situation. If you were doing this with Excel, you would have to create a different file or a different set of cells to get that solved. In this case, this is more efficient. It allows you to make less of an effort to get all the results you need from an optimization model.